Hello, community. Today we will here to speak about a new model that make a groundbreaking in the open source community. The model name is FLUX. FLUX is a model that aims to create state-of-art in text-to-image generation. This model was released by Black Forest Lab. Black Forest Lab is the company launched the 1st August and composed by approximately 40 people like Andreas Blattman, Axel Sauer, etc. This author was the origin of the stable diffusion, and after the dissolution that bring the release of SD3, he decided they decide to build a strong and efficient models that can reach state of art and be competitive against closed model like DALI or other Firefly or other stuff like this. So today I will introduce these models, show you how to install it locally through Comfy UI. I will put also Colab. I know that many people of you use Colab and maybe Swag UI. I know that it's not common UI for generation of model diffusion, but it's pretty good. So before the useless verbos, let's go and let's check out firstly the result of the model. As you can see in the presentation page of the combine, the model is really impressive in the prop following. I will show you something before show the results. There. So the Black Forest team. We are a team of distinguished AI researchers and engineers with an outstanding track record in developing foundational generative AI model in academic, industrial, and open source environment. Our innovation include creating PQGAN latent diffusion to build a state of art. The mission is very simple: bring state of art AI from Europe and everywhere for everyone in the world without payment. But later I will show you that there are a trick that they use. But let's regard the results of this model compared to the other. As you can see, there are major three variants of the model. The basic model named Schnell, the little bit advanced model named Dev, and the last one and the so bring back to FLUX. So the basic model outperform Midjourney and but not ideogram. Okay, the middle model they outperform as the free even ideogram. I have some doubt. Later in the video we will try it and see if there is true or not. I know it's a little bit difficult to evaluate a model through only prompt and look at the quality of the image, but it's for the common sense. So we will do it. And the last model the last model really outperform all text to image generation people. That's really crazy. I know that the fact that this model is open way, it's good, but I need to note I need you I want that you notice something. The only Schnell model is available. Okay, so welcome back. So how you can see the model for the text in the image, the model is literally crazy. You don't struggle to put text on any part of the image and do this better than the other models. As you can see, photography of blackboard in the old classroom on the blackboard in the chalk are the word. Let's make some real pretty stuff together with a red chalk heart. It follow the red chalk heart. We follow really great, amazing. Sunlight is streaming from the window. So the all the prompt is follow. Each word is present in the image. That is the pretty good image and impressive. For the photorealism, there you can see a photo of a beautiful street in the Weber with a tram passing by and people walking about and riding a bike. So riding the bike, people riding the bike is there. Anyways, a beautiful street or tram is here, but you can notice some some bad word like there. TM5M. I don't know what it means. And for the majority of the text, there is some like noisy detail and incomprehensible text there. So but it's the common issue for the the majority of the model in the text to image. No, so the prompt doesn't specify text in the image, so it's pretty good. Not all models are able to generate this kind of image. So good. There also it's pretty good. An old piano in my living room. Good also. This is really crazy. Look at the same. It's amazing. The grays look really nice and really realistic. The home also. Uh, you respect the thing that you need to put the whole wash all oil for the color of the home. Pretty good. And the sky not saturated, oversaturated. Good. Maybe we can upscale this after. Of course, I think you can upscale this, but it's very good here. Nice, also pretty good image. Okay, okay, very good for the hybrid creature. Now this is too cute spider in the Victoria outfit. Yeah, he's follow this part. Really follow this part in the Victoria outfit. I don't know if you know who is Victoria or Victoria. Let me show you quickly. Yeah, she like wear some hats. She like really wear some hats. So there, it's follow the kind of dress even is on the spider. And I love the detail. Look at you can see. Oh, this is crazy. Not gonna lie, this is crazy. Very nice. The image seem really grainy because it puts on the prompt 90 photography of tropical beach. So it's good also. This is good anime cartoon, beautiful anime artwork, cool also. So here, this one mind blowing me. Not gonna lie. If you are every if you are already tried, if you have already tried Stable Diffusion Excel, Stable Diffusion Cascade, Airflow, Ideogram, you know that there is a very issue to generate many subjects in the photo and also respect the proportion of the body of the end, the color. That's crazy. So the models, that's amazing. The models follow the prompt firstly. That's really good. Respect the proportion of the head, the body, the dress. That's good as well. No, not hand in the hair as always. And also, all finger is hair. That's crazy. Not six finger or bad finger. No, all of this is hair. One hand, two hand, one hand. That's really amazing. And the figure don't have the same face. There's a variation in the face, as you can see, and the teeth look good also. That's the reason why I think Flux there the potential to be one of the best model and the major change in the open source community. So after show you this the quick result, I will put the link in the description. As you can see, it can generate also for close portrait with highly detailed image, as you can see there. I think when we scale this, it will be really crazy. Look at this. I love AI, not gonna lie. So after this, we will see how to install it. And before this, what is the requirement to produce this image? Um, I want that you know something. All sample in this collection was generated with Flux Pro. So the best model of the series. So I already see some really good result with the dev model, but based on the opinion on the opinion of and the comment of the community, Schneider model produce bad output. The best one is dev and pro, the both, and all of these require a strong hardware. Let me show you here. I read a Medium article that 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 contain all the links for any one of you want to try it, and I had a section to show you how to improve your prompt. So I will put also the link of the Medium in the description for free, of course. I love open source. I love share what I know or what I had a new knowledge share with everyone. So how about already say the requirement is big for every people that pure GPU that will be bad for you. Even to run the intermediate model fixed depth, you need a minimum of 16 GB RAM GPU in FP16 precision. For the Schnell, the minimum is 8 GB RAM, but I don't recommend you to try. You can try, of course, man. You will not get the result that you expected this after seeing all kind of this image. So the most probable model that can give you a close result than the Flux Pro is the Flux Dev, but it requires 16 GB RAM. So hope you have a good setup. If not, you are obliged to use Query. But I put also in the blog the link. If you want just try it, you can try it through a collab. I will put all the link. Don't worry about it. You can use and make some inference in Collab, but there are a sad side. So take a GPU offer for free by Collab. It's good, but produce 20 seconds for one instruction. That is really slow, and even to generate one image at width of 118 and 119, you waste 10 fucking minutes. That's the reason why the model is too large, too large. So now we will talk about how install it on Comfy UI for those that use Comfy UI. For those doesn't did it, don't did it. I will give you links for dev for collab where we can try. I also put you the Hugging Face link if you want to try it just very quickly. But I can tell you, if you want to try the pro models and you don't have the requirement to run it, you can use it through For AI. For AI is a platform that used to run inference through API. So there you after registering, you will obtain $5 for free. So you can easily train the model. Don't forget this. You can for $1 you can only do 20 generation. So 20 image. Although be careful when you try to use it and enjoy. You can also try it on Hugging Face space. He put all the model except the Pro because it's very too large and expensive. So just go on Hugging Face as you can see on the URL. click on the tab, space tab, and just type Flux. As you can see, you will Flux Schnell Dev. There is a merged version released by Multi-Modal App. It's a merge of Schnell and Dev. The advantage of this merged version that uh, there are few steps to obtain a little bit less quality than Dev, but better quality than Schnell. So with the merged version, you need only few steps to have a quality close than Dev, but close than Dev and far away than Schnell. Community is crazy. It's already made some canny feature on it, control L on it. You can you can join it with captioner to describe your image before pass the prompt in the Flux model. So I really think you have all tools to enjoy, and thank you for Hugging Face to make all this possible and for the community to do this. So at the end of this section where I show you the some example with Flu and the configuration, I will show you how to set up locally config UI through. And after I will give you some tricks that I found to get the best result with the models. At the end, I will give you a short bonus for those who stay at the end. So next for the next section. So wait and next for the next station. Achieve this without waste your time when trying to generate one image. Firstly, you need to know the community release something called a Flux checkpoint. Flux checkpoint is different accuracy of the models that enable people to run this in the low config, to run the model in the low config, but in the less precision than the full precision pieces. I don't want to boring you with complex explication, but FPS's precision means full precision of the model, and this size or this encoding take more RAM and more VRAM that you think. I hope you can read this. If you want a FPS's version of the models, you need to have at least more than 32 giga RAM. So it's not all people have this kind of RAM. So to install this is really simple. Firstly, you need to download the testing version of testing safe stencil. To do this, it's really simple. Go to Hugging Face like this. If you want use Flux Dev, this is our case. Type Flux Dev, select the first one, go to the file and version, and here we can see the safe tensor for Flux. But you can use directly the safe tensor. You need two component. The testing FPSs that the link is here. You can download all the text encoder. Testing is for the beginner, the encoder of model. When you write your prompt, you need to convert the prompt into a format that the diffusion model can understand. Of course, you will not give directly to the string, the text string. You use the text encoder T5 to do this. There are many precision of the text encoder. You can use the full precision 16, but you need at least 9 giga to store the model. Or you can use the FP8 more precision that's really split the needed of storage by two. I recommend you to use this because no need to have the biggest models if you want to run many inference to text. If you are intermediate size of a model, your inference go faster, and you don't saturate your disk because it's too large. This model is too large. So click on testing Excel, download it here. You click on download, and the model will be download. And go to config models clips and put it in your folder. After this, you need to download the VIO models, the VIO, the VIO encoder. VIO encoder, I don't know what is it at now, but I will give you a short explanation. But at least to do this is the same way. You download it, and after this you put it in the right folder here, model VIO config UI. I can show you there because I'm trying to run config UI in my environment, but it's quite simple. Okay, for the what is this? Let me just check out model clips. Yeah, config UI. After put config UI, I need to click on models. After models, I need to click on VAE, or you put your VAE file that you already download from the link phase. And for the T5, you put this here. I think. Let me just check. Uh, yes, you put for the T5, you put it in the model clip. So after this, use the single file FPV version that you can find by the link below. As I already say, there are after 8 precision encoding of the FLUX there, so you can easily use it here. So you download the image, and the image contain all parameters of your workflow. If you I know that you know. You can find click there, and you can put there. You can put the field, and the field can be load through the regular load checkpoint load. Make sure you can then load and drag the config and to get cover down. So there are two ways to do this. If you want, you can directly download the fixed model at FP8 precision and put it directly in the checkpoint, or you can just load this image and put it in your workflow. At the end, you can run easily the models without care of anything. So this is the end for anyone to run Flux on Config UI. If you want to run the Schnell model, we do the same thing. Even for the dev model and the FLA checkpoint. So that's it. That's how I can show you. I don't like really a comfy UI, so I didn't download it on my laptop. And the model is too large for my VRAM, so I don't. I use it through Google Colab that I will show you the techniques right now. Okay, for other that not comfortable with comfy UI, let me close the tab right now. I get for you in the Medium file, in the Medium, my Medium blog, uh, the collab links here. So for the dev version, you can just tape it, and you will get this folder, this file. So just click on the run cell, and that's all. It will run this prompt. If you want to make some inference, you just change this prompt here and put what you want to describe, the description of the image, and that's it. It will bring. If you want to understand what's happened a little, as you already say, for config, you need to download the FP weight self tensor of flu checkpoint FP weight. After this, the AO that enable to improve the quality of the output. I think also the T5 for text encoder clip also enable to encode, so it depends of you. After this bar, this is all the code to load and add some different encoder, other stuff like this. That's it. Don't, I will put the link in the description. Don't worry about this, and you can run it easily. So this is the end of tutorial to how to install it in Comfy UI. If you have any issue, just write it in the comment section. I will answer it so quickly because we don't, we're not very large in the community, so I have time to respond all of you and give you a personal response. So hope that will be helpful. If you want that I made another video to enter in detail and explain you each concept like text encoder or VAO, VAE or AE, just mark it in the comment section.